What's happening, guys? Some really exciting news in the astronomy world. We're getting the very first pictures of Pluto ever in history, and this is my reaction. I've loved astronomy since I was a kid. I've always had books. I love watching astronomy movies and space movies, and science fiction has always been something that I've been interested in. Going to other planets and stuff like that. It's been really cool. The images that have come out have been really awesome. We've learned so much. I've been watching the press conferences NASA's been putting out about the New Horizons mission. And the next one's going to be in September sometime, but I've checked out the last 3 or 4, and I will include those conferences in the description box below so you can get up to date on the discoveries they've made already for Pluto. I'm going to go through a few of the images that I really find interesting. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a Pluto New Horizons tribute video, which will display all the pictures that are up to date so far, with some really familiar music for some science fiction fans out there. So the first picture that I want to go over is the very first close-up picture that came out of Pluto. So the first clear image that came out was sort of like a bronzy, orangey color, brownish color with a big heart that's at the bottom of the planet. Now that heart apparently is from ice, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, which is being produced from under the surface of Pluto. And there's been speculation that it might be some liquid methane, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide underneath Pluto, and even maybe a liquid ocean of water underneath. So this next picture shows some mountain ranges that are near the heart. How they're formed, they don't know yet, but they're still studying. It looks like they're covered in some kind of nitrogen snow or carbon dioxide snow. It's very interesting to see that, and it's a really cool feature. So this next image is Charon, Pluto's moon. It looks very similar to our moon, very rocky, a lot of hills. There's a little bit of a close-up shot, a lot of ridges, a dark spot, and very similar to our own moon. This next image is also a part of the heart in the lower area of Pluto, and it shows more mountain ranges and some other rough features that Pluto has. This image here shows Pluto and Charon together. These are non-official color images, which are basically all the features of the planet are highlighted in different colors, designed to show the features of the planet and the moon. So this shows you sort of a comparison of each one. Now, according to the studies, Pluto does have an atmosphere of nitrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, and it's slowly being evaporated into space. Where this atmosphere is being produced is still unknown and is being studied. Again, they think that it's coming from below the surface. The last few images that I'll go through, I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll leave that to the compilation video at the end. There's a couple of pictures that New Horizons took from approaching Pluto, and it shows Pluto very small. And it shows Pluto and Charon together, orbiting each other from far away, and it just looks really neat, and I'd like you to take a look at that. Apparently Pluto has some smaller moons. I think it has about 4 or 5 moons. These ones are more like asteroids and not like Charon. So here are a couple pictures of them right here. So these moons are really like the moons on Mars. Mars has sort of 2 asteroids that orbit around the planet. Not like our moon, but just some little chunky asteroids. So what I want to leave you with is, on the New Horizons exit from Pluto, it took an amazing shot of Pluto from behind. It shows the silhouette, the ring around Pluto from the sun. I'm going to leave all the conferences links in the description box below. Please watch every episode and get up to date, and stay tuned for September for the upcoming conference to know more about the science of Pluto. When that comes out, I'm going to do a reaction video to that, so please stay tuned. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and please check out some more of my videos. Peace, and enjoy the Pluto compilation album.